Stay frosty, man. If I die, I'm gonna be real angry.
Ooh, I feel it.
Oh my God.
All right.
That's coming through.
Here we go.
Come on, you gotta go in the gas.
All right, take a couple steps back.
Back, not forward.
Can you hold this?
You're back. That way.
Thanks.
All right. Just a little bit higher. Now come this way towards the audience a little bit. Good. A little bit back. Good. Here we go, everybody. It's time for the finale. Everybody clap together. You're saving my life, ladies and gentlemen. This is a comedy show. If I made you laugh, it's worth a few bucks. Thank you so much for